Good morning, friends. Today I would like to discuss something called International Solar Alliance, Partner Summit Showroom Committee, then the France and India's deals, various deals, then the differences between the partnership, Padma Bhushan and Padma Bhushan awards for as it is being given in during the Republic Day. Then the tracking satellite that has been built in Vietnam. Next is that these are the topics of me. And for today's, I will be speaking something about the Prakshak medal, President Prakshak medal, Oil Sena medal, Correctional Service medal, distinguished about the next Chandrika. It is sent MOU about Uday thing that is Ujjwala Discom Assurance Company. Next is that three licenses are being for Nobel Prize. Then the penalty is that JK Rowling has been awarded 10 awards for the 2015 year. So, coming to the mains, first thing is that I will be discussing about the International Solar Alliance. So, what is this International Solar Alliance? It is about a free and affordable energy that will be given all over the world. Means already we know that there is a shortage of coal, there is a shortage of energy. So we are going for the sustainable energy. In what way we can go for the sustainable energy? Obviously, we should go for the use of renewable energy. So that is when it comes to the renewable energy, the first thing for everyone minds comes that it is going for the solar energy. So India has been chosen for this thing. Means we can come across the Rajasthan where the rising where the Indian temperature is around 28 degree to 32 degrees, and due to this, we can produce a lot of uh, solar based energy. So, I can say in having 121 countries of membership, and this is used for the promotion of solar energy particularly. Next, it is the first Indian international and intergovernmental organization. It is headquartered in India. Means till today there was this is the first time that India is having some headquartered of international organization that has been headquartered in India in NICE campus. So this International Solar Alliance will be helped by IRENA and CAC. So what is the use of International Solar Alliance? First is that international cooperation. So what is this international cooperation? Means international collaboration means, as I already stated that there are 121 membership countries. So India can use the technologies among the 121 membership countries, and it can improve its power efficiency. Next is that we already have a Uday scheme, that is Ujjwal Discom Assurance Yojana, so that even the discount companies can be in the fold. Next is that overall energy for the Indian household will also be increased. So using all these things, International Solar Alliance is a very good concept for the country like India. That way, as a developing country, is a very good concept. So, what is the probability of asking questions in 2016 prelims are International Solar Alliance located in NICE. One is prelims question, and one more is that in paper 2 for the international affairs, in paper 3 economic based question or science based question, and even it can be used in essay. So this much important is there for this International Solar Alliance. So please have a look onto it. Moving on to the next news, India-France collaboration. So why it is so necessary for the UPSC examination means UPSC will ask questions based on the India in the paper 2 or for the things like optional paper Polity and International Affairs. So for this reason, this is necessary. And the first thing is that India signed 16 MOUs between with France, and the four important fighters are Rail, Space, Terrafight, and Rafale. Rafale is a fighting aeroplane, and it has been signed in 2015 when Indian Prime Minister, that is Narendra Modi, was in France last year. And the next one is that since India and France both are fighting against the terrorists, means in 2015 France had come across the terrorist attack. In 2014 France had come under the Charlie Hebdo attack. And the next is that space. Both India and France are working for the space improvement technology, and they are already given already holding the bilateral exercises in this thing. Means the ISRO is playing a major role in developing the satellites for France. And next is that since France is very good in locomotives, India is taking the help from France to build the locomotives trains within the India, so that the indigenous technology is collaborated with the France. So what and other things will happen in India and France together will uphold the economic and technology factor. Means when there is a upgradation of economic plus technology, there is obviously the increase in international collaboration throughout the country, and it also brings the name from developing country to developed country. So for all these reasons, this India-France collaboration is required with respect to the UPSC examination. Moving on to the next thing, awards. So why this is in news means on Republic Day, that is Jan 26, President will give various awards to the distinguished personalities in various fields. So for this reason, it is important. And this time, various personalities like Rajnikant, Sri Ravishankar Guruji, and many others have taken Padma Vibhushan awards, and Saina Nehwal, Sanya, and so many others has taken Padma Bhushan. And like this, Padma Shri awards has been given. So for this reason, we should know something about the Padma Vibhushan. Means in the UPSC examination, there can be a questions literally about the in prelims, what are the distinguished factors between Padma Bhushan, and Padma Shri, and there can be a question in mains also, because since there is a award option program that is being run, and what are the implications on these things. So first coming to the Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award that has been awarded by the government of India. And the next is Padma Vibhushan. In Bharat Ratna, there will be a golden leaf that has been awarded as an award, and in Padma Vibhushan, there is a 10 bronze medallion is been awarded, and Padma Vibhushan is the second highest civilian award. This award is given both the Indian as well as the foreigners. And next is that Padma Bhushan. Padma Bhushan is the gold colored medal, and next is Padma Shri. It is a bronze medal, means only bronze medal is given. Here the Padma Vibhushan will be having 10 bronze medal, and it is one bronze medal in medallion. And apart from this, there will be a citation certificate, so that they have achieved this thing, this awards. And finally, when it comes, these awards will be given for both Indians as well as the foreigners. So these are the things you should keep in your mind for the examination, that why Padma Shri awards, Padma Bhushan awards, and Padma Bhushan awards will be given for the various personalities. It has been given to the distinguished personalities in various fields. And next is that is it only for Indians? No, it is for both Indians as well as the foreigners. And The order is that Bharat Ratna first, Padma Vibhushan second, next Padma Bhushan, and the last is Padma Shri. Moving on to the next news, India is building tracking satellite and imaging center in South Vietnam. So what will this do means it will cover the India, China and South China seas, and it will take up images related to South agricultural, scientific and environmental things. So let me show you the map. In the map we can see that Vietnam is here, and since it is building the satellite here, it will cover India, China. Means it is covering almost all the eastern countries of Asia, so that it will take the pictures of China, South China Sea. And since India is having problems with China along with its land border, so as the Vietnam is also having problems with China, there is a there is between India and China and Vietnam. But India and Vietnam relation will be a stronger one. Next is that this bill has been moved as a civil aviation bill in India. India is already having 11 observation satellites. So what are the implications of one of the observation satellites means? These observation satellites will take the pictures of related to agricultural, scientific and environmental things. And if the pictures are improved, it can be also used for military application. So what all these things will give you idea means when there is a question about observation satellite, this question was asked in 2015 release, and now this question means tracking satellite and imaging center question might be asked in 2016 paper 2 and paper 3. So all the best for this question. Moving on to the next news, that is Partha Show Committee. During the appellate tribunal function, Mr. Arun Shetty had given a brief about the Partha Show Committee. Means after the implementation of Partha Show Committee, there will be no tax evasion problems in India. Means these are tax collection. So what is this Partha Show Committee means? It tried to amend, it tried to give suggestions on the 1961 Income Tax Act. Means it was based fully on the general anti-avoidance rules. In the tax, there are three things that we should focus. That is, one is tax mitigation. Next is tax avoidance, and one more is tax evasion. Means in this, the first two are safer side or legal side, and the other one is illegal. It should not be illegal, but still it is illegal. Means tax mitigation and tax avoidance means there are some provisions in the law itself that you can reduce your tax, paying up of your tax. Means suppose if you give a charity, then your tax will be avoided to an extent. But when you do the tax evasion, means money laundering case or any other thing, you will be in the problem. So for this reason, there was implemented this general anti-avoidance rules. What are the rules were given by the purpose of the committee, and it stated that there should be a different period of 3 years. So what is this different period of 3 years means? For the first 3 years means from it was take this committee had gave its report in 2012, and it stated that from 2012 to 2015 there should be a definitely 2012 to 2015 it should be a different period, and in 2016 and 2017 there should be abolition of partition tax. Partition tax means it can be something like the funds that has been transferred from abroad to India, and during this time the Indian country, Indian tax department will gain from the transaction tax. So this type of tax should be avoided. Then the Participatory Shishram Committee also recommended there should be authority for avoidance ruling. So what is this authority means? It will have a check on various issues, and depending on these various issues, they will give the report to the income tax appellate tribunal, and all these things are important with respect to the paper 3, because for indirect tax already GST is running, and for direct tax India is still trying for various implications. And yesterday President Pranab Mukherjee was said that for the speedy for the speedy for the speedy trials, there should be an improvement in technology, and this can be used as one of the factors in your mains answers. So this is very much required with respect to paper 3. Moving on to the preliminary section, we can see various medals that have been given in during the time of Republic Day, and in those Ashoka Chakra, police medals, and as I have stated, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and many more awards will be given. But there are some awards which you need to be know with respect to the prelims question. So what is that means? First is that Pratyakshat medal. These Pratyakshat medals will be given for the coastal birds. Normally, this type of questions will be coming in the form of meta following. And next is that Vayu Sena medal. This Vayu Sena medal will be given for the Air Force. Ashoka Chakra for the Navy. Police medals for the police department. Means all these should be in the terms of distribution services. And next news is that Chhattisgarh says Uday. So what is this Uday scheme means? Ujjwala Discounts Assurance Yojana. So what this does means, since Chhattisgarh is having a lot of mineral resources and energy resources, but still it is not able to provide its energy for its own state due to the various reasons, and one reason is that discoms are not able to generate the sufficient energy, and this will be done with the help of Uday scheme. Means here the up to 2015 50% of the amount will be paid by the central government, and the remaining 25% from the state, and 25% from the discoms itself. But from 2017 it is 75% and 75% from the center and 25% from the state. This will enhance the things. This will enhance the things. Next is that 10 awards has been given to J.K. Rowling. We know that J.K. Rowling is the famous writer of Harry Potter book, and with respect to this, J.K. Rowling has been awarded 10 awards by the US government. This award is for humanity and literary awards. So, as I already stated in the beginning, these are the important news which is required for the UPSC examination for both prelims and mains.